Alright, hello class. I'm going to introduce Unit 9 by first giving you kind of an overview of the ideas that we're going to be playing around with. We've already done some stuff with electric fields, and now we're going to start looking at magnetic fields. But really what this unit is about is how these two things interact. So the big ideas in this unit is kind of this cyclical relationship between magnetic fields and electric fields. And there's two closely related phenomenon that we're going to be looking at. The first phenomenon is going to be how an electric field can actually produce a magnetic field. So this is what has to happen. And if an electric field is changing or moving, which we'll see is the same thing at some point, that will produce a magnetic field. And now a magnetic field will do the same thing when it comes to electric fields. If you have a magnetic field that changes or moves through space, then that's also going to produce an electric field. And in fact, what we learned recently is that these two fields are really like two sides of the same coin. An electron or a proton or anything with charge has an electric field, and it also responds and produces its own magnetic fields as well. So we're going to be learning about how these two things will relate to things like electric charge, and if we're talking about moving charges, moving fields, we're of course going to talk about electric current. So these are ideas from the previous two units, charge and electric current. And we'll be looking at a little bit about circuits again. All right, so these ideas are related to the ideas of electric charge, electric current, and just that idea of fields and action at a distance. Okay, so this is kind of the overview of the topics that we'll be looking at in Unit 9. Let me zoom out here so y'all can see the big picture and get ready for my next video.